Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
LiftMaster error code 15 means your garage door opener has a logic board failure. This error often stops the door from moving at all. You will see the arrow buttons flashing. One arrow flashes once and the other flashes 5 times. This indicates a hardware issue inside the unit. First, you should try a simple power reset. Unplug the opener from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Plug it back in and see if the code clears. If the error remains, you must check the wiring. Look at the wires going to the travel module. Ensure every connection is tight and secure. Loose wires often cause communication gaps. Next, inspect the logic board for damage. Look for burn marks or loose components. You might need to replace the logic board entirely if it looks damaged. Another common fix involves the travel module itself. This small part tracks the door position. If the module is faulty, the system triggers code 15. You can buy a replacement module online. Replacing it is a simple task for most homeowners. Always disconnect the power before touching internal parts. Safety is important when working on electrical systems. If these steps do not work, your motor might be failing. Contact a professional if you feel unsure about the repairs. Most people can fix this error with a new logic board. Follow the manual to ensure the new board matches your specific model number. Testing the door after the repair is vital. Run a full cycle to confirm the fix. Your garage door should now operate smoothly without flashing lights.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.